The automotive industry is abuzz with excitement, and today on Future Fuel, we're diving into the details of a game changer that's set to redefine compact mobility. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2025 Baby Honda, a perfect blend of innovation, efficiency, and style. Honda has long been a pioneer in crafting vehicles that capture the essence of practicality and performance. The 2025 Baby Honda continues this legacy, offering a fresh, exciting perspective on what compact cars can achieve. Let's explore what makes this little marvel a standout in its segment. The visual and design. The 2025 Baby Honda makes an immediate impression with its futuristic yet approachable design. Honda has gone all in on sleek aerodynamics, ensuring the car not only looks stunning, but also slices through the air with minimal drag. Up front, the signature Honda grille takes on a compact yet assertive form, flanked by LED headlights that give the car a sharp, modern edge. The sculpted side panels and clean lines exude a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. And the rear? A minimalist design featuring a bold LED strip that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a distinct and youthful flair. Available in a spectrum of vibrant colors, including Honda's signature Lunar Silver, Radiant Red, and a brand new electric blue, the Baby Honda offers customization options that cater to every personality. Compact yet spacious. Step inside, and you'll be surprised by how much space this compact car offers. Honda has mastered the art of intelligent packaging. The 2025 Baby Honda may be small on the outside, but its interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and utility. The cabin features a clean, modern aesthetic with premium materials that create an inviting environment. The dashboard is dominated by a crisp digital display, seamlessly blending the infotainment and driver information systems. Connectivity is a priority, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Thanks to the flat floor design, passengers in both the front and rear enjoy ample legroom, and let's not forget the versatile cargo space. Whether it's groceries, gym gear, or a weekend getaway bag, the Baby Honda has you covered. Efficient performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Baby Honda delivers a punchy yet eco-friendly performance. Powered by a next-generation hybrid system, it combines a compact gasoline engine with an electric motor for maximum efficiency. Honda promises a class-leading fuel economy, making this car an excellent choice for city dwellers and long-distance travelers alike. The hybrid system isn't just about efficiency, it's also about fun. The instant torque from the electric motor ensures a zippy response, while the finely tuned suspension provides a smooth and confident ride, whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway. Safety first. As expected from Honda, safety is a top priority. The 2025 Baby Honda comes equipped with the latest version of Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking in tight spaces a breeze. Honda's commitment to safety extends beyond the driver and passengers. The Baby Honda is designed to protect pedestrians as well, with features like an active hood system and advanced pedestrian detection sensors. The future of compact cars. The 2025 Baby Honda isn't just another compact car. It's a statement of Honda's vision for the future. It represents a shift toward more sustainable, efficient, and connected vehicles that meet the needs of modern drivers without compromising on style or performance. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a city dweller looking for a practical ride, or someone who simply loves innovative vehicles, the Baby Honda has something to offer. Closing thoughts. Honda has once again proven why it remains a leader in the automotive world. The 2025 Baby Honda is a testament to the brand's ability to innovate and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the market. What do you think of this compact marvel? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Future Fuel for more exciting automotive updates. Stay tuned for more, and as always, keep fueling your passion for the future.